Hello. Can I record? Can I record? Yeah? Okay, thank you. So he said, "Sowi sura." That means take your photo or take your video, I think. Oh, look at this one. It's almost like a waterfall. What's the set? How much is the price?
Weight?
No, not the weight, the price for the set. Price between.
مختلف ديزاين مختلف.
Yeah, but what's the range? From maybe 2,000, 12,000
Okay,
to
no problem. شوفها.
just for the video, just to see.
Okay.
Okay, so how much would this be? The price.
Wait.
Yeah? Okay, so he's gonna come and tell me the price of this. Oh, he said he has to look at the weight first. So the weight, 27 grams.
Yes.
27 grams. Okay, so it's this much. 6,675
Yes.
riyal. Yep, 6,675 riyal. And how much 1 gram?
1 gram this.
So 1 gram is 250. So they're about the same in all.
قبل كذا والله أول.
Okay, so he said before
Yes.
it was 225. So now it's 215.
Yes.
Okay, that's good, I guess. I don't know what's good with the prices of gold. I'm just saying that's good. Very nice, beautiful.
إن شاء الله.
Yeah.
بريطانيا ولا أنت؟
No, not Britannia.
وين؟
Canada.
كندا.
Yeah.
Yes.
Look at that one. That's nice. 6,000. That's nuts. Wow, look at this one right here. The flower one. That's beautiful. And then these diamond-y looking ones. Oh, he's taking it up. Look at that. Wow. That is so nice. 21 carats.
21 years.
Wow.
Yes.
Okay. Look how many grams. That's 10.5 grams times 200. Okay. So 21 grams. Okay. So this is how much? 2,650 riyal. Okay. That's a good price.
MashaAllah.
This is for a wedding. For a wedding.
English.
Yeah. For
$1?
no wedding. For wedding.
English شوية.
21.
21 yes.
Yeah.
بحرين.
Bahraini.
Yes,
Okay. Do you have any Saudi here?
سعودي this.
These are Saudi. Okay, so these are all Saudi.
سعودية عربية.
Saudi Arabia. So you're saying these are all Saudi gold. So I want to ask him what the difference is between Saudi gold and Bahraini gold, but I guess I think that's going to be hard for him to explain. Canada, yeah. Oh, these are really nice with the colorful ones. 18 carats.
Yes.
So these are all 18 carats. So you got your little diamondy looking. I'm sure they're not diamonds. Diamond?
No.
No diamonds.
Zircon.
Zirconium? So he's saying there's zirconium. I can't really tell the difference. And then here you have 18 carats. They look really nice. I like them. And this is white gold.
MashaAllah. كويس.
Yeah. White gold. And then here you have the ABCs, the alphabets. 18 carats.
Yeah.
21 this.
And then these are 21. So you have the one that says, this one says God, Allah.
Allah.
Yeah, that one says Allah. And then you also have, this is the Kaaba. So look at that one. So this says Allah on it. And then that has the Kaaba on it. How much would these go for?
This or
Yeah.
this?
Both of them. I need the loading.
Kaaba Medina Manawara. Medina Manawara.
This is Medina Munawwara. I need to.
التابعين 136 136
Oh, there we go. Okay.
136 و500
Oh, that's so nice.
هناك اسمها كندا.
Yeah.
كندا.
Mhm.
انت قلقل كندا؟
Video.
كندا فيديو.
Mhm. Oh no, not to Canada. To on YouTube.
يوتيوب.
Yeah.
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 ما شاء الله.
So I'll put it on YouTube. Do you want to be on the video? You want to be on the video? You? No? Okay. So he doesn't want to be in the video. So I respect that. And then look at the other ABCs. ABC. Do you do necklace name?
في.
Name? So he does the name necklaces. I don't know where they are. Oh no, name. Like Yasmin.
Name?
Yeah, Abir.
عبير name.
You don't do.
No.
You don't do. He doesn't do names.
كذا ها
Yeah.
لا.
No name.
Name.
Name. Yeah. Okay, so he doesn't do name necklaces or the name tags.
name قناة يوتيوب.
Me? Yasmin Noor.
يوتيوب.
Yeah, I can show you. I'll show you. I will show you. I will show you on YouTube. So here, so he's asking for my YouTube video or my YouTube channel. So Yasmin, YAS. Okay, hold on. I'll do this one.
Okay.
Okay, so he's saying he doesn't want to be on video, but that's fine. As long as you guys can see the bangles and the gold that they have. So then these ones, like 1,000,
Yes.
1,000, 2,000.
Yeah.
Okay, 1,000, 2,000 rial, and they're also 21 karat. Do you carry 22 karat, 24?
No,
21 and 18 carats. And then look at this one.
This 21 karat. No, 18 karat.
All of these. So he said these are only
21.
they only come in 21 carats. They don't come in 18. They're really nice and intricate. These
لا والله.
are nice. And then the little baby ones. I always love these little baby ones. And then these. So this one is the actual bangle and the ring. So he's saying it's for the baby. He's saying for little babies. Like, can you imagine a little baby, like newborn baby wearing this?
Yes, baby.
Yeah, little newborn baby. And then they have the earrings. So those are the earrings?
Yes.
The earring.
Big.
Those ones?
Yes.
So then here, they have plenty of earrings. And then these, how much would these go for? So 500, 300, different prices. Okay? Different prices. So 180, 190, 200, 350. So they're different prices.
Yes.
Okay? And then these are all 18?
Yes, 18, 21.
18, 21. So the bottom is 18, and the top is
this
21. And this is per piece, not per gram. Yeah. So 21.
21.
21.
This 18.
18.
This 18.
Mm-hmm.
This 21.
21. They're so nice. I think that's, look at that one. That one's so nice as well. And then these right here. These ones are really beautiful. That's so beautiful. He's showing us bangles. Look at the smiley face one. The smiley face. Oh, and these bracelets. Look at them. Wow. 18.
18, yes.
Yeah.
18, 21.
18 and 21.
21, yeah.
And
21.
then these are 21.
21. 18.
21. And then those are
21.
21.
Yes.
21? 21? 18.
Yes.
Look at this. These are just magnificent. They're humongous. Wow. Thank you. I'm just gonna record here. Okay. Zoom. Oh, sorry. This is necklace, right? So those are necklaces. Really long necklace. And then those are chokers. I don't know why the color isn't coming true to color. So here, oh, it's not very, you can't really see it because it's not keeping focus. Can we get it? Can we get a close up? It doesn't want to focus. Okay, there we go. Those are small ones. Yeah, and then that, what would be the price? 500, 600 riyal, 700? How much? It's not true to color. That's so annoying. Okay. So he's saying it would be
No dollar. Dollar
riyal.
Riyal.
This is riyal. So this is 2,180 riyal. So this is how it looks. You see? They're little tiny flowers. I don't know what they are. Okay, they're beautiful. Yeah, they're all beautiful. Thank you. Thank you so much. All right, bye. Yeah, I took a picture of this already. All right, and this one, how much would that be?
Okay.
The price?
1 minute.
Okay, so he's gonna come and tell us the price of that. He said 1 minute. That's so exciting. So let's see, we'll see how much that is. He'll let us know. And then this, I'm so excited to know how much this is. Like the actual price. It looks like an armor for your hand. So they're really big on using calculators here. Instead of saying the prices out loud. So this one right here, he's gonna show us the price. So that's 13,484. This one.
Yes.
The flower. And then the one beside it? Okay, so I think what he's doing is he's looking at the weight. Like how much it weighs. And it's written somewhere on a piece of paper on there. Like one of these, like those kind of papers. This little tag. And ta-da! 21,859. Not bad. Good price. Yeah. Okay. So different.
Yeah.
Different prices. 13,000. And then how about this one? This is a bangle for the hand.
Yes, thank you.
Okay. Ah. 22,000.
Yeah.
Oh, it's weighty.
Yes.
How many grams is this one? 12 grams?
1 gram?
No, how many
Yeah.
grams this one? How much does it weigh? How many weigh? So this one's 91 gram.
Wow, gram.
This one?
1 min? 1 gram.
1 gram, 206.
Yeah.
But how many gram? 10 gram?
Yes, 91.
91 grams.
Yeah.
Wow, it's 91 grams. It's very, wow. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, so he's really nice. So I'm gonna get the name of the shop again. Here we go.